The global workforce has always seen a significant presence of Indian students and scholarship. This reflects the rich and robust Indian education system, which is deeply rooted in value-based, diverse and inclusive ethos, while being truly global in vision in its cutting-edge research, innovation and entrepreneurship. Destination South India is a step taken by IIT Madras together with the US Consulate Chennai in partnership with USIEF, Forum on Education Abroad and USA Study Abroad to build a program to engage and enable academic institutions and NGOs to welcome foreign, especially US students in the Indian educational ecosystem.
This is an effort that will go towards the idea of national education policy, where we are hoping to increase the diversity in our campuses.
In this workshop, we want to help Indian institutions prepare to host U.S. students and to partner with U.S. universities. We also want to help American students understand that South India offers a fantastic academic and cultural experience.
We've welcomed hundreds of American students to India who come to conduct research, learn about Indian culture and society, and study modern Indian languages through the Fulbright Nehru Fellowship Program. I believe there's huge potential in India for expanding study abroad and exchange programs. To facilitate this, we need to bring about a better understanding between US and Indian institutions of higher education on how to design and deliver study abroad programs.
We're a membership association that provides training and resources to education abroad professionals around the world. I'm looking forward to working with workshop participants to build capacity in India to host students from US universities on education abroad programs.
Register today to be a part of this collaboration and conversation.